You're going to walk from one side of the stage to the other and back. Follow my example. And if you're willing to do that, we can make it rain right here in this theater. Oh, you doubt me. Are you ready?
Well, you're from Portland, of course you know how to make it rain. Here's what I wanted to show you. Beautiful things emerge from the leap of imagination. The great thing that Portland is endowed with is this powerful, visionary imagination of what could be. The ability to question that conventional wisdom that Ted was talking about. The idea that, well, you know, old age, that's a burden on us all. And to actually proclaim something very different. No, it's a strength.